Can't even see the house.
This is the house you want.
Huh? This is, I think that's the main entrance here. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look. Wow, look at this. Look at how massive this guys are. Like the quality is like amazing. Look at my floors. I'm laughing. Look at this thing, guys. Look at how these are massive. This is like quality. Like it's absolutely unbelievable. Wow. This is a main bathroom. Look at this. Look. Look at this. This is like massive.
You like it?
Yeah. Wow, look at this media room. Wow. It's huge. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh my gosh. Like literally, it's so beautiful. Look at the quality of everything. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I guess this is how mine is, I guess. Oh, that's interesting. Huh? Wow, look at this, guys. Look how I just the scale of everything. Look at the scale of everything. Look at the lights, the scale of the lights, the scale of these cabinets here. This would be nice. It's nice and small, right? Which is kind of perfect for an empty nester, to be honest with you. But this is called this is entertainment room. My ours is like starts here and ends there. Ours. I think it's that we are these three.
I like
The thickness of this, but it's Maida though. It's just a Maida ring. But look at how thick the shelves are. Wow, those are like thick.
That is thick. Thicker than a snake.
Okay, so we went to the bedroom there, right? No, not just the stone, but this hallway here.
That